adding a body curl to the leg curls. The idea behind leg curls was to create a spiral around your leg and around your body that will last as long as possible, and you can make this even longer if you continue to go around your body. You can do them with the leg curl, the same side leg inwards, or the opposite leg inwards in the version that just bounces off to the other leg, where you just continue with your handle around behind your back. So I think I'm showing this from behind because there's a handoff involved behind the back. So you start here with your handle on the surface side, just do the leg curl, your leg curls around the fibers, and then you go with the handle behind your back, do a handoff here, and then you continue the direction, and now this pistol side hand goes around in front and around your neck. So you see that the spiraling continues from your leg around your body. Once again, here, hand up, just go around. Again, starting here, like this, or you can as well do it with the opposite leg. So from here, you curl in here, but continue this way around, the fibers bounce off, and again, the same thing. Once again, from here, like this. The same thing, of course, for the other hand. So you start here on the peace lady side with the same side leg first. Curl in, you go around behind your back, hand off here, and now the other side hand continues to go around your body, around your neck, to create the long spiral. Once again, like this. Like so. Or you just take the other leg, still handle here on this lady side, surface side leg, curling and fibers bouncing off. You do the hand off here and go around. Once again, like so. There's a hand off involved anyway, so there's a really easy way to mirror these. Just showing this from the front now. You start with one leg using the same side leg first now. So you curl in, go behind your back, do the hand off, continue here, and then with a kind of a lasso spin here, you make sure that you get the fibers off your body and they come around that you can take the next leg for the leg curl. There you shift your weight. Now this leg is free for the other side, same side leg curl. Go here, hand off behind the back, go around, lasso spin, and by this time you shift your weight. Now this leg is free again, and you can continue like this. The same, of course, with the opposite leg. So start here with the opposite leg, go around this same lasso spin, and now to the other opposite leg. Again, you shift your weight by the time you do this lasso spin in between. What I like to add is an arm movement so that the fibers come through here, this kind of arm triangle, this negative space. So, starting here again with the handle on the sofa side, you do the leg curl, hand off behind the back, and now when I come here around, you see here is a negative space where you can go through. So the other hand goes through, and when you do it a bit faster, it's easier. The hand goes behind the fibers, and then I put my hand on the hip. And now you see the fibers just go here through this arm triangle. And that is just the same. You can go around here, other leg, hand off behind the back. When you come around here, the arm goes through, the hand continues all the way up, and the hand goes behind the fibers, so the fibers just slide through here in this negative space. And you do it a little bit faster, there's enough tension, and you don't really need to worry But if your hand is behind the fibers, that will happen just by itself. So, like this. Or you put an emphasis on this lasso spin that's going around, showing these now with the opposite leg curls, starting here with the handle on the sofa side. Leg curl, hand off behind, you come around. Again, I go with my arm through this negative space, but instead of putting my hand here, I just present it like on a silver plate. Hello, here, there's my whip spinning above my hand. Once again, from here, like so. Then you're got the handle in the other hand, shift your weight, leg curl on the other side, coming around here, put your arm through and present your whip. Like so. That's it, and have fun with it.